Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can hide any file of your phone. So first of all you have to open file manager. That is the method one. In this you have to open file that you want to hide. You have to just rename this file. You have to type dot sign before the file name. It will automatically hide your files. Now the files is not shown in your folder. After, what you have to do, you just have to open the settings of your file manager. If you want to show hidden file, just have to show hidden files in your settings, and then after you have to open the folder where you have hide the file using dot sign. You just have to open the file. Now you can see the dot sign hidden file is showing in your mobile phone. Now you can easily edit the file and unhide this file. Let me see do the method with you. I open the folder. Now I have choose another file. I type dot. Now the file is hidden and other file is also showing you on the file not will be shown in your file folders or any gallery. You have to just have to rename this file, remove dot, and then that is the file is hidden. Now I will tell you another methods to hide a file in your other methods. You have to open your album folder. You open this which file you want to hide. You just have to right click on and choose hide. It will be shown in the hidden folder. Just have to open the files to view hidden file. Okay, please like, share, and thanks for watching my video.